I received the XTAR FC2 for the review from XTAR.com. The FC2 is a simple 2-bay charger with lithium-ion and IMH and IICD battery supported. It is possible to select the overall charging current. It is compatible with protected 21700 batteries and is able to reactivate batteries with a tripped PCB. The FC2 is powered by a micro USB port. It comes in this simple box, and the contents are the FC2 charger, a nice micro USB cable from XTAR, and a multi-language manual. The FC2 measures 109 mm in length, is 30 mm deep, and 53 mm wide. It weighs 63 grams, so as you can see, it's a very compact charger and lightweight. This is perfect in my opinion for an ADC or to leave in the car. The slides are very easy and smooth to operate, and they can fit batteries up to 78 mm in length. Here I have, for example, an unprotected 18650 battery, and you can see that there is a lot of space. On the back of the FC2 there are the specs, all the current outputs and all the batteries models that are supported. On the top there is the micro USB port for powering the charger. The contact point are two raised dots on the positive, so smaller and bigger batteries, flat top, bottom top will fit just fine, and the same goes for the negative contact points. Two raised dots, so bigger and smaller cell we have this. On the side of the device we have this lever. It's a switch that can be put in free position. We have all down 0.5 amps, 1 amp, 2 amp. As you could tell, this is not the kind of switch that you can easily bump into it and move it around. It's quite steep, and it has a very nice tactile feeling. I like it a lot. So let's fire it up and see how it works. If there is only one battery inserted in the FC2, it will receive the whole charging current that you selected, with a maximum of 2 amps for one channel. If there are two batteries in the FC2, the charging current will be split half over the two slots. So if you picked 2 amps, it could be 1 amp and 1 amp. If you picked 1 amp, it would be half and half. If you picked 0.5 amps, it would be 0.5 for both channels. Noteworthy feature: if you set the FC2 at 2 amps and you charge two batteries at the same time, each of them will get 1.0 amps. But when you remove the one that's full, the other will now get 2 amps, useful when charging batteries while being in a hurry. Each channel has 4 LEDs, you saw them before, that they flash indicating the process of charging of each battery, like this. These 4 LEDs that we have on both channels also serve another feature. They tell you which one is the charging current. For example, when you move it to 0.5 amps, it will blink in an asynchronous way, like this. This is 0.5 amps on each channel. This is 1 amp on one channel or 0.5 on both. And this is 2 amps. Simple, yet effective, in my opinion. To me, the FC2 is a compact charger that can fit most batteries and have a charging current that is able to charge the majority of the batteries, although for some smaller non-IMR cells, the 0.5 amps maximum rating can be a bit too much. I like that it can charge bigger batteries like an 18650, like this one, or a 21700 with good speed, 2 amps. The charging current are well spaced and can accommodate most needs, and changing it is easy and immediate. The lack of a power adapter is compensated by the smaller size and the fact the FC2 works with a simple micro USB port, but you must provide your own USB power supply.